Hello everyone, welcome back to Csylnaturalsdiy. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to make this green tea extract. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for staying connected to this. Let's get started. So to make this green tea extract for cosmetic formulations, I'm going to start by measuring out my distilled water. As I always do, I'm going to drop the measurements and ingredients on the screen. So feel free to take a screenshot as you watch this video on how to make the extract. So after measuring out my ingredients in a bottle that has a cover, I'm adding my green tea leaf, and the next is my distilled water. And after adding, I'm mixing it at this point. After mixing it, it has soaked the water completely, and that's okay. Then at this point, I'm adding my glycerin. So the glycerin here will serve as the preservative for this extract. So after mixing it, I'm going to cover it and seal it tight in a container, and I'm going to leave it in room temperature. I'm going to leave it for 1 to 2 weeks, and keep shaking it every other day. Every day, just shake it and drop it back. So here is the brand I use. I got this this green tea, and I opened it. I opened 2 sachets of it. Then that's what I use for this green tea extract formulation. So after 2 weeks, our green tea extract is ready. So I'm using with a cheesecloth and a strainer. I'm going to filter this green tea. Make sure there's no particles in it. So I'm going to give it a little squeeze to bring out the extract in it. So here are the particles. So guys, at this point our green tea is ready. Green tea extract is ready. So you can use this to formulate lotions, body cream, hair cream, and even serum. And when you add green tea into your formulation, it improves skin smoothness, reduces inflammation, and also it neutralizes free radicals on the skin. So if you have this, you're good to go with your formulations. So at this point, after straining it, I'm going to pour it in a clean, a sterilized container. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.